What's up, guys? I'm heading out to a concert today. Not for pleasure, more for business. I'm gonna go make a music video for one of these rappers that I know in the area, and I'm gonna document it. Yeah, this thing is gonna be pretty new to me, and I'm trying to pack as least as possible. I don't have that much gear, so it's gonna be pretty interesting how this rolls out. I'm gonna show you guys real quick what I'm doing. This is what I have right now. It's just a regular backpack, but if you guys can see, I'm trying to be as light as possible because we're gonna be moving around in different locations. There's not gonna be actual sets. He's actually gonna be doing a concert, and we're going to a mansion afterwards. So, you know, we're gonna use the mansion as a set. We're gonna use the concert as a set, and then his friend also has a Maybach. So we're gonna use that as well. And that's why I can't be like breaking down and setting up every time I get to a different location. So I'm gonna keep everything in this backpack, and I'm gonna leave everything almost ready to be set. So if you guys can see, I have this tripod right here, and this tripod is going to be my light holder, unless I can get somebody to hold my light. I don't know how else I'm gonna do it. And inside here I have my gimbal, the Ronin S, the Ronin S. I have a tripod for my GoPro. I have my A7 III in there, and I have my source of light, and then I also brought a flash just in case he wants to take some pictures afterwards or during for thumbnails or what have not. And then here I have 2 batteries that I can use if my camera or anything runs out of battery. Here I also have more batteries, an extra battery for the light, extra batteries for the GoPro, extra batteries for the flash, which I'm not really gonna need because I'm barely gonna use it. So yeah, it's gonna be a pretty interesting experience. I'm gonna try to record the whole thing. I also have my GoPro attached to the camera, and I'm gonna try to make everything, try to record the whole process just to see how it goes. And yeah, so as far as my wardrobe, nothing too serious. I'm not trying to get eyes on me, but I do have to be a little bit professional. So I'm going to wear, you know, good looking sweater, nothing that stands out too much, jeans and pants. I doubt it's gonna be a dress code at this place. Not too worried about that. I'm almost tempted to bring my reflective vest, you know, just so I can look legit, like staff or something. Or maybe wear a shirt that says staff, I don't know. I'm gonna go get some food because I don't want to like be hungry in the middle of all this. Then I'm gonna head down to LA. Wish me luck. 2 things. When I say for business, I don't mean I'm getting paid. I mean, it's not something that I'm doing for pleasure. I'm not like going to a club to have fun, dance with girls. I have a girlfriend, first of all. So yeah, I wouldn't be doing that by myself. And second of all, I didn't bring a microphone for the camera that I'm using for the shoot tonight, mainly because it's a music video. I'm just gonna use the camera's microphone to sync it with the music, the audio music. So that's not gonna be hard at all. Good thing about music videos is that you never have to worry about audio. It's, you know, it's a cheat, it's a hack music videos have. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Alright, and in case you guys are wondering why I'm not getting paid, it's mainly because I'm pretty new at this. I'm doing this because this is what I want to do in the future. Not making music videos, but making movies. And I don't know if I'll ever get to do that as a full-time job or not, but you gotta start somewhere, and when you don't have any credibility, nobody's gonna want to pay you. So right now, starting from the bottom, and maybe we'll get to the top. We'll see. Alright, so I'm on location, almost at location, just waiting for my talent, or the talent, Marco. He is going to be performing tonight, the rapper I was telling you about. And yeah, he just went upstairs. It's gonna be right back. The show is about 5 minutes away from here, and it's gonna be about 10 o'clock at night or something like that. Well, we had initially Bentley scheduled and a mansion on the plans, but it looks like all those plans fell through, so we're trying to figure out if we can get another car and maybe a different location. We're not sure yet, so let's see what we can get. I know for sure we're gonna get the concert, you know, the stage, the fans, the people, the event, but other than that, we're not sure what else is gonna happen. So we'll see what happens.
Hey, somebody else.
You got that on camera?
Alright, you gotta get searched when you come back. Yeah, just hold it. Just hold it.
Face the camera. Hey, get this on camera, bro. Oh my God. Get this on camera, bro.
Only the artists getting in free. There's no extras, no cameraman, no designers, no nothing. What's your name though?
Marco Pablo.
You can go in. Thank you. Don't mind if I wait on my camera.
I'm about to take my other camera. This one is way too dark for this one.
Alright, man. We finna keep this show rolling, man. We got our next artist ready to blaze this stage. I want y'all to bring your attention and give a nice round of applause for Marco Pablo, y'all. Make some noise for Marco Pablo one time, man.
So we're doing with that first set. We got first we went to a club where he did some performing, and then we went to the street with a pretty good background, and that was pretty cool. And now we are at this homie's apartment, getting everybody ready. It's a loft. Now we're gonna shoot the last part of the video in here, and hopefully we get something pretty good. I hope you guys can still see me. So it's the next day. Yesterday I tried to make a closing statement for my video, but it was so late at night, I was so tired that I made an attempt and it just didn't come out as good as I wanted it to. So today I'm in Pasadena at a dog grooming convention. I'm sure if you guys can see, it's a different place from yesterday, way different. And yeah, I just wanted to go over some quick thoughts about yesterday. So when I got to the club, or to that event that we were shooting at, it was really packed. It was a lot more packed than what I was expecting it to be, which is good. Made for a good video. After we ended up shooting that place, we were also scheduled to shoot some more video in the parking lot where we were, because they had a pretty good mural, and it had Los Angeles or something like that. It was a pretty good backdrop for some of the music shots. And then after that, we ended up going to Marco's brother's house, and he lives in a loft right in downtown LA. So we ended up shooting like in his pool area, some of in his yard. Not his yard, in his kitchen area, and the area where the pool would be at. There was a good view of the downtown area. So we were to catch about 3 different locations, and we got a whole bunch of different takes doing various things. So we definitely got enough video. The issue now is going to be in the editing room, but luckily I don't have to deal with a bunch of people. It's just gonna be me for this one. So yeah, so now I gotta get back to this dog show. You know, the grinding continues, okay? My mom is gonna be a dog groomer in the near future, and I'm trying to see how to market this so she can have a pretty good business for herself and how to help her out, you know? So trying to figure out angles, gonna do some pictures of her for Instagram and have some video ideas, maybe start a YouTube channel for her. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. It was an interesting experience for me, and hopefully it was an interesting video for you guys to see. And then let me know what you guys think. Maybe I did get some business cards while I was there, which is interesting. I met some people, business cards. So maybe it's a thing that I could do later on again. I'm not into music videos. I'm more into like cinematic movies and things like that. I like to write stories and things. So we'll see. I'm still thinking. It's still new to me, and I want to see where this takes me. But yeah, I got some music videos. So if I'm ever, you know, like craving for some new experiences or to make something, I can always go that route. But yep, I'm gonna head back to the dog show, and I'll make another video about how I edited that video, if you guys know the music video. So yep, I think that's all, and I'll see you guys in the next one.